What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and today we are working on the Bronco. If you haven't already, subscribe, stay tuned for videos to come. I show you how to add some accessories to your Broncos, Tesla, 4Runner, Lamborghini, Jeep, also Jeep Renegade, bunch of different stuff. So anyways, show you how to add accessories to your cars and stuff. So today is actually the Bronco. As you can see, it says in the box. And this was a $200 item. That was including shipping, so it was originally $180 off of Amazon. You can get this from Ford itself, but I didn't like the one from Ford, and here we are. It's a little bull bar, or bash bar, whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to add on the Bronco. So I didn't like the one that came with Ford, mainly because it covered the logo, Bronco, and this one is pretty cool, because it does not block the logo. As you can see, it does not block the logo. So I'll get a few bolts in it and we can kind of run through how to install this really quick, and I'll show you what to do. So 1 second. All right, here we are. Show you really quick what it looks like. So yeah, I really like the look of this. A lot of different reasons. Again, that's gonna mess up the... One being it doesn't cover the Bronco, and I can remount my lights. So I think I'm gonna move my light to how it is right now. As you can see, I'm using a bolt there and a bolt there that came with the bumper. Definitely worth upgrading your bumper immediately or just doing it from Ford. I would recommend just doing it from Ford. It's cheaper that way, and you get the bash plates underneath. So that being said, really quick, I'm going to be removing it from here and mounting it under here, which will give it a really flush mount look. And again, it won't block the Bronco. So that's my biggest thing, is I didn't want that being blocked. As you can see, it definitely is a lot lower than the stock one. The stock one comes up and like over and then back down. So I didn't like that look because I like seeing it say Bronco. So, and again, it would have kind of jacked up the view of the camera and stuff. So this works out pretty well. And again, the lights won't invade the view of the camera because it's gonna be mounted just how it is here, right under here. So pretty flush mount facing out. So here's what some tools you're gonna need. I'm using a bit. If you don't have a bit, your toolkit comes with one inside your Bronco. But this is a T40. As you can see, kind of blurry, can't really see, T40. So that's what I'm doing. I removed it with this bit on my drill. No issues, no problems, nice and smooth, didn't strip it. The kit comes with some washers that you're gonna need to add to each one of the bolts. So as you can see, you're gonna need 4 of them for each side. One right here, one right here, here, here. As you can see, I laid mine out how I took them off. So these were my front 2 right here, and then you have one right there, one right there, and I kind of lined them up like that. It's not that big of a deal because they're all the same, but me, I'm very particular with how I do it. So as you can see, again, I took it, and then you can just kind of hand tighten it, or again, I'm not gonna go super hard with the drill, but just enough to kind of get it torqued down a little bit. And then I'll probably just torque it by hand the rest of the way. Trying to make sure you don't scratch the paint while you're doing this. And that's why I'm gonna torque it down by hand the rest of the way. Hopefully I didn't scratch it. Let's see, it might just be a little bit dirty. Yes, dirt. Okay, cool. Anyways, that being said, yeah, you just add these 4 bolts back in. Again, put the washers on them before you do it, and then you're good to go. So as you can see there's one of the bolts, there's one of them there. Make sure you got the washer. Same thing over here. There's the bolt there and a bolt there. Oh, I might have scratched the paint a little bit. Oh no, it's dirt. Now I'm just making it dirtier with my fingers. Okay, luckily I was a little worried that I might have scratched the paint, but I think I just made it worse with my dirty fingers. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a really cool little add-on that you can do. And again, this is only $180 for this. So a really cool add-on. And like I said, I can remount my light to a better place, and it's not as high as the standard one, and it's cheaper. So yeah, I'm gonna finish bolting it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I move the light. All right, I lied. I'm just gonna show you kind of what it looks like completely with all the bolts. It's nice, it comes with an extra one. So back there, as you can see, these are ones that are torqued to spec, and that one is not because it has a gap. So I'm gonna get my screwdriver out and just hand do it the rest of the way. Or again, it comes with the tools that you need. So yeah, there we go. There's those 4. Come over here, same thing over here. There's the 4 and back there. So yeah, really cool, heavy duty. I really like it so far. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So if you're looking to add something like this to your car, got it on Amazon. I can try to attach the link. These bolt bars go pretty quick. I wish I would have got one when it was originally on there because it was only 169. And I'm really kicking myself now because I got it when it was 180. So I'm mad that I should have just jumped on it when I could have. But I think it's gonna be a great little add-on with that light once I relocate that right under here, which will give it a really smooth mount, especially because this is at the top. So it's gonna just have just enough to have the light come down right underneath it, giving it a nice little look. So freeing up this spot so I can actually do a front plate, because in Colorado, it's actually mandatory to have a front plate. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful, especially because there are tons and tons of little modification, aftermarket things, blow-off valves, exhaust, tons of things you can do to these Broncos already. So this is one that I jumped on while I could. Same with like the fog lights. Those are actually really cheap. These were only like 60 bucks for both sides. I put some grill lights in, as you can see right there. Smoked out the lens on the side. Obviously the tow hooks, the light bar. I think this is really it for the front. This is the last thing I wanted, was the little bull bar. And again, at Ford, they wanted this in like 250 to 300. I don't remember exactly. I think it's like maybe 310. 180 bucks, Amazon. And it doesn't block the Bronco, which is what I really liked. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. I will be doing a walk around of the Bronco because there's a lot of cool little things that I've done to it. Some completely unnecessary, like the little Bronco cap. There's a Bronco on it. Tons of little things. So maybe I'll do a walk around of where it is now and future plans for it. So yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.